Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a server in Minecraft TLauncher. First, open your browser, then search for aternos.org. You can create an account by clicking sign up. After you create an account, click server, click the software, then click vanilla. Then choose whatever version you want to play, then click install. After that, go to options to change the setting. You can change the name of the server and logo. In the next step, you can see the server properties. At the bottom, you can change the slots, game mode, difficulty, whitelist, crack, PvP, fly, monster, villagers, another force game mode, spawn, protection, etc. Go to again to the server, then click start. I already have a server, but they're just the same. Process to join your server and your friends. Click connect. You can see that the IP and port. Combine them, then share with your friends to join them to your server. Now open your launcher or any crack you have. Then you should choose the correct version you created in your server. You can see the server was starting. It's online. Now go to multiplayer, then type your open port like this, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.